Hi, I'm Bob Cooper, the president of Elite, and today I'm joined by a real rock star when it comes to the business, Greg Skolnik. He owns a company called Motorworks in a great state of Maryland, and I got to tell you, he's a business development coach with us, but more importantly than that, listen to this, his store is only open 4 days a week, and he does staggering numbers. So Greg, you really got a great handle on business. Earlier you were sharing a tip with me that had to do with reserves. Would you be so kind as to share that with our audience today?
Absolutely. Well, if you're a business owner like me, at some point you've been wondering where payroll is going to come from, right? Well, so be proactive about this and take a few extra percent of whatever you're making in that particular week and transfer it into a reserve account or a payroll account, and pretty soon you'll see that number starts to grow. Right now I'm up to about 2.5 payrolls in mine, so I'm ahead of it, and I really appreciate that. So it's really nice.
So it's always there if weather hits you or something happens catastrophic to your business for whatever reason, you're always able to cover payroll.
But I can tell you that not having to worry about it is crucial. I just love not having to worry about where money's coming from.
There you go. What a great tip from a really great business operator. Thanks so much for joining us.
Yep.
Apply it. You're going to be thrilled with the results.
Good.